There's nothing worse than a window with no fly screen mesh in it during those warmer months. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a frame to suit your window, insert a fly screen into it, and get your home all sealed up. Let's get started.
Begin by measuring the width and height of your window's inner frame. Be precise, as these measurements will guide you when cutting your fly screen frame. Next, using a hacksaw along with the fly screen miter box, cut your aluminium frame pieces to the measured size. Ensure each corner is cut at a perfect 45-degree angle for a clean fit with the corner connectors. Now, insert the corner connectors into the frame pieces to join them. Press firmly to secure the joints and ensure your frame is square. Once assembled, place the frame into the window opening to check the fit. If needed, make minor adjustments by trimming the frame pieces or adjusting the corner connectors for a perfect snug fit. Finally, lay the fly screen mesh over the frame, cutting it to size with a utility knife. Make sure to leave excess on all the sides. Use a roller tool to press the spline into the grooves, securing the mesh in place. Trim any excess mesh and once done, your custom fly screen frame is ready to be installed.